Guys, thanks for tuning in today. Today what I'm going to be doing is replacing the slide spring, okay, the slide catch spring. I don't think in the other video I had replaced it because I had lost it. This one here I'm going to replace, and I ordered new ones from Magnum Research. Ordered these from Magnum Research and they came in. Ordered two. The springs are about $3 a piece. And here they are. These are what they look like. I had lost my other one, so I have two more. So let me go ahead and open this and get my spring out. Okay, it looks like this, you know. Ziploc bag, which is cool. The gun itself is empty. Let's just show you. Nothing in it. It's empty. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do is take it apart because we have to have access to the frame to do this. So you hold your hand here, press this little button in right here while you're holding, and drop that down. Takes out the barrel. And slide the frame off. Slide the slag off from the frame. What there is, let me get down here, you can see better. Right in between here, that little spring goes, and it's a pain in the butt. What you have to also do is back inside here. Let's see. Back inside there's a spring that you have to lift off. And you can see that one in the middle there. You have to lift that off because you have to pull this out. That's all you really have to do. So let's go ahead and do that. What I use is a little peck. I have some little tools here. It's like a little pick. So I use this little pick to just pick it off. It looks something like this. Okay. A little pick. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I use this little pick. Now, you have to get this off to put this in. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass. So, you're going to want to do is you go in here and you want to lift the spring up, and you're going to just pull, kind of wiggle it out. Okay, see, I did get it out. See how it came out of them? Now, I'm going to try to get that spring in while having it like that. It's not that easy. Okay, there is a little hole. You can't really see it in here. There's a little hole, okay, and you have to drop that spring in there. Let me take the spring out. Okay, so I have one spring out. It's not a real easy process, okay. Now let me pull the whole thing out and show you. Get this out. It's kind of still locked in there. Well, you should be able to get it in like this. Okay, I have this. Let me get the flashlight here. Okay, you can see in there, that little hole. You can see it probably. Okay, this has to lay like that. Okay, this little part goes in the hole, and the other part goes into a little indentation in there. Now, tweezers probably would be good. However, it just depends on how good you are with your hands to do this, because it can be touchy. So I'm going to try it with tweezers. I'm not an expert here at this. If I was an expert, I wouldn't have lost my spring before. Okay, this is magnetic, so it might help us a little. Okay, you got to take that spring, and where the slide is, okay, it has to go right into the slide. You have to bend this a little. There's an area. Now I did get it in there, as you can see it. I don't know how good that's going to be. But you got to kind of push down a little too. Okay, what I did now is I put that in and I just pressed it down, so I have the spring like that now. What you have to do is kind of compress that spring back and get it in that little hole. It's not that easy. If you're very careful, you can get it in there. Kind of got to just go up just ever so slightly here. It's a pain to get in there. It's not the easiest process. So you should kind of have it up a little bit like that. You can see how I have it up a little. And you're going to line that spring up in there without it coming out. It's not the easiest process. Don't know why they don't make. And then just angle it in, and it snaps in. Okay, I got it in. It's just a pain. You know, you got to really be careful with this. But I do have it in there now, so it should be all good. Let's take a look. Trying to put my gun together. It is freezing in Florida. My hands are frozen. It's cold weather. Believe me, I hate the cold weather. Okay, got it on. Get the barrel in. Barrel's in. Okay. Safety off. With the magazine, an empty magazine, locks back, okay, everything works, that drops forward, okay, so that's how you get it in. It's not that easy. That little damn spring in there, it's just got to be ever so good in there, you know, and if it's not, yeah, you could have some problems, but I wanted to show you that. Thanks a lot. And that's how you put that spring in there, the slide catch spring.